So this is not the usual kind of topic for my videos. So rather than electronics, I'm talking about software development, and in particular this is developing a game using an AI tool from Amazon. So first of all, I start off with this description. So just a text description of a game that I want to write. And now if I run Amazon Q and I select that, I put it in the form of a question to ask Amazon Q to go and build me a game. So you see it's straight away come back with, I'll create a snake game class with a brown mouse as prey, blah blah blah. So now it's gone away and it's starting to generate the text of the game. So it's writing the game in Python, and it says there it's going to use Pygame. So on this machine I've already in fact installed the Pygame module, and of course before I started I'd already downloaded and installed the Amazon Q utility from their builder site. Right, so now it's written some Python code, and it's written that into the local directory snakegame.py. Also created a requirements.txt with the to tell the system to import the Pygame module. And there's also a README there, which is quite nice when you check it into the GitHub repo. So let's actually run the game now. It's all ready to go. And you see it's quite a nice little user interface. So the little mice on the screen are brown with a tail, and then the snake has got a head that's a bit square, but it's got a head and it's got a tail that's tapering down. And I didn't have to do anything to make this happen other than describe in that line of text how I wanted the game to look. And you see it's keeping score. So all this code has been written by the AI. And we can go and look at the source code that's been generated. So if I load it up with VI, you can see the snake game class here. And it's created all the animation and scoring without me having to write a single line of code. Pretty smart.